In this video, you will learn how to create milestones. Milestones are important when you have many issues and cannot work on all issues at once. You have to prioritize. When work on which issue? In the tab, Milestones, click on the button, New Milestone. Then type a name of the milestone, for example, Sprint 1, and define the start and end dates. Save the changes. On the right, you can see a burn-down chart, which illustrates the time planned for a certain task and work completed. Go then to Issues and define the milestone for each issue. Go back to the burn-down chart and see there 2 issues placed. When you start working and close one of the issues, you will see that your blue line drops. When you close another issue, the blue line will drop again. When you reopen an issue, the blue line goes up. Basically, it shows you how many issues are still open at a time. The green line indicates the ideal situation when you work with constant speed and close issues with a constant rate.